Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and today I've got a pretty cool video here for you. But first of all, let me say thank you to my buddy Mike for sending this guy along for me to be able to do this quick comparison video. And also, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content, because it's pretty cool, I think, to have a V2, a V3 and V4 Specter Prestige in the house. Again, this is a rare occasion, and I thought, why not? Let's just shoot a pretty cool video because look at this, guys. These are fantastic examples of gorgeousness. So prestige means that they have employed some special materials to do these knives. So V2, V3 and V4 all together, you can check them out like this. This is actually a V2.5. It's like an in-between, like a transitioning model. In fact, you can instantly recognize it by the different backspacer right over here. So it's longer, and there's no milling, let's say scalloping on the scales. And V4 of course has the same backspacer as the V3, but the V4 is just a liner lock, whereas the V2 and V3 are frame lock. And in fact, you can see just a cutout over here, whereas this guy just has a liner right in there. So prestige means that they are sporting some pretty cool and exotic materials. So it's not so much the fade anodization going on in these guys. You see that it's just gorgeous. It's not that. Or even this guy also has a nice, pretty cool fade ano. No, it's the materials employed. In this case, it's just time masks for the clip and the backspacer, and this case is just the carbon fiber of the scales right over here. Of course, in these two guys, you're gonna get some Damasteel going on, so just two different patterns over here, but the prestigeness is due to the materials employed. In this case, you've got a beautiful carbon fiber. This is the same milling pattern as this one. This is the bent starburst. This is the checkered pattern. And you've got also like a nice mirror washed finish of this M390 super cool blade. Beautiful, beautiful etching and nice Damasteel in both of these two guys. This one has polished flats, and this one doesn't, has just like fully etched, now you can see like that, fully etched blade. So really, really cool. Of course, there's no marking on the back of these blades, just to keep it you know, a pretty clean look. And also, you can appreciate now the sound that this guy makes, because everything else is going to be pretty much the same except for the weight. Of course, this is 3 ounces, and these guys are going to be a little bit more, like close to 3.8, 4 ounces for the V4. And for example, this is the V2 or V2.5 sound, opening sound. All right, that's the V3. And that's the V4. So really, really different sounds indeed. They're very similar also, but kind of like they have their own character, their own personality, I would say. And but again, you're not gonna go wrong with any of these, V2, V3, V1, V4, whatever. You're gonna get a pretty solid and pretty cool knife, and if you're able to get one of these more prestigious options, I don't think you're gonna go wrong ever, because they're just gorgeously made, and really, really nice CNC machining going on. You can pick your pattern, you can pick your blade finish, you can even pick your hardware, like the pivot. For example, here you see like 3 different pivot designs, so you can look for the one that you prefer and just get that. And I mean, in the back they very much look like nicely done. It's just a joy. Like these are kind of like some kind of jewelry, because of the prestigiousness of the look at this. I mean, guys, Just check out this clip over here. How cool is that? It's fantastic. The lines in this backspacer, just gorgeous, just gorgeous. And here is the same thing. Look at this. This is a starry night Timascus going on. There's some stars in it. It's fantastic. And here you just have like a normal clip titanium, beautifully. It's beautifully done, beautifully milled out. Great shimmering on the scales. I mean, this is the show is right over here. It's in the scales because look at that. I mean, it's just simply fantastic. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.